A closer look at Shopify POS Lite. Shopify is a platform that allows businesses to develop and run their own e-commerce website and online shop. One element that distinguishes Shopify from other e-commerce systems is its inbuilt point-of-sale system. Businesses may utilize Shopify for both online and physical sales. This provides firms with a consolidated picture of their inventory, customers, and sales data rather than having to piece together data from disparate sources from disparate dashboards. The Shopify POS system is available in two versions, Lite and Pro. In this video, we'll take a deeper look at the Lite version to discover what it has to offer for company owners. Using an iPad, iPhone, or Android, company owners can track items, manage client profiles, and take credit card payments using Shopify Point of Sale Lite. The main difference between Shopify POS Lite and Pro is that Lite does not contain some of the more complex capabilities, such as unlimited shop workers, smart inventory management, limitless registers, and in-store analytics, to mention a few. Shopify Point of Sale Lite pricing is included in all Shopify plans. POS Pro plans have an extra monthly price, but the tools and value offered much surpass the little monthly fee. If you have any more price inquiries, please see the link below. Shopify Point of Sale Lite features. Shopify POS Lite contains all of the main tools that businesses use to conduct their sales operations successfully. These characteristics are as follows. Inventory management. Keep track of your inventory levels in real time so you never oversell or run out of goods unexpectedly. Customer management. Use Shopify POS to keep track of your customers' contact information and purchase history. Credit card payments. Use the Store Pay app on an iPad or iPhone to process credit card payments. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover are all accepted. Don't forget about today's latest digital payments using your phone. Offline mode. Even if there is no internet connection available, companies may continue to process sales by using Shopify POS offline mode. While offline, you can conduct cash and check transactions. Once an internet connection is restored, all offline sales will be synchronized with the Shopify platform. Shopify Point of Sale Lite is an excellent choice for small businesses that want a simple method to handle their items, customers, and sales processes. The platform is incredibly user-friendly and has all of the main tools that businesses use to operate their sales successfully. If you're searching for a low-cost point-of-sale system, Shopify POS Lite is a great option. If you want a free expert demonstration, please click on the link below.